Today, we'll be showing you how to remove and replace your drive belt on this GE front load washing machine. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the water. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. Now that we are at the back of the unit, in order to access the components down here, there's a couple things we'll have to do. Starting with the drain line, we'll have to disconnect this. And then we have one Phillips screw holding it on the side. We'll take that off. And then this piece here kind of clips open like that. And you'll let that down. Next, we have to take the top bracket off in order to take the middle plate off. So let's hold on with just a couple of Phillips screws here. Get our drain line out of the way. When removing the last one, make sure you hold your hand on the bracket. You will lift up, slide on one side, lift up, slide out on the other, and set it to the side. Next, we'll have to take this back panel off. What we'll start to do is remove all the screws around these sides, followed by the one on the bottom last. Next, hold your hand on the bottom. Remove this screw. Then this one is kind of stuck, but the object is this would plop off, slide out of the top, and set it to the side. Now that we have the back panel removed, we have clear access to our belt system here. Now the main reason why you'd be replacing your belt is if it is making a squealing noise, or it may already be broken and the unit is not going through spin. If it is broken, it will be laying there. You will not have to take it off, but if it is not broken, you're going to have to take it off. In order to do this, start to pull out and twist this main pulley, pull it out, and set it to the side. When installing your new belt, we obviously have two pulleys here, your main pulley and your motor pulley on the bottom. You want your ribs to be around your motor pulley first. Attach it around this pulley here, and then we're going to turn it, but I want you to keep turning. While you're turning this, keep moving this belt on the motor pulley so it stays in the grooves. Once it gets all the way around, you will want to push it in while turning it to get it lined up. Now we can reinstall the back panel. When reinstalling your rear panel, first we're going to slide the top in and sit it as such. Hold your hand on here and reinstall your screw on the bottom. Next, go around and reinstall the others. Now we can reinstall our bracket. When reinstalling your bracket, we will slide it in, and if you remember, it's got these teeth on the sides that will go in and kind of push down in order to set it in place. And then let's go ahead and reinstall one of the screws in the middle. Let's go around the perimeter and do the rest. We will pop this cap back in here that fell off. Then let's pull the drain line around and put it into the strain reliever, pop it closed, Reinstall the screw. Pop it on here. And this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.